Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you cannot start a game on your PlayStation 5. Now, I've had this a few times in Grand Theft Auto where I stopped the game and I'm not able to launch into like single player campaign for whatever reason. So how I fix this is I went up to the top and I went to settings and went to users and accounts. Then I scrolled down to other and I went to restore licenses right here, and then I chose the game, selected it, and went to restore. And this took about 2 to 3 minutes to actually download everything, and then I was good to go for most of the games. So if you have like a lock symbol next to your game, make sure you do this. That will fix that issue. Now another thing is, if you go to console sharing offline play right here, select this, and make sure it's enabled right here so you can play your games when you're disconnected from the internet. So that might be what is causing this issue as well. You actually don't have an internet connection right now, and you don't have this setting enabled. And also, this will share PlayStation Plus and all your games with every other account on your PlayStation. So it's good to have this enabled, especially if you lose internet connection. So just double check that you do have an internet connection right now and nothing is disconnected. Also, go to view PlayStation network status. Maybe there's an issue connecting to the internet because of the PlayStation network being down. Now, another thing, there could be some sort of update with your game right now or your PlayStation 5. So just go to System Software Update Settings right here and update using the internet and just verify you have that. Now, another thing is if you do have an update for a game, let's say Fortnite, and you're trying to play it, it's not going to allow you to play if there's an update for it. So you can just press the PlayStation button, go to download, and just make sure there is no download in here. And then you should be good to start it and start playing. Now, the last thing I'm going to show you involves deleting some of your saved data. If you do have PlayStation Plus, this is going to work out perfectly. If you don't, I wouldn't try this next method. Although you could try using a USB stick and transferring over your information if you are playing a PlayStation 4 game. If you're playing a PlayStation 5 game, you don't have that as an option. So PS4 save data, you can see you can copy it over to a USB. But what you want to do is delete the save data on your PlayStation and then re-download it from the cloud. So I'll show you how to do that. Let's go to upload or delete the console storage right here. And then go over to delete and scroll on down and then find the game. So sometimes I have an issue with Grand Theft Auto. Then I can go to delete and then I can just try starting up the game. And since this is an online game, it's just going to download all the information again, and I should be good to go. So you can try that out even if you don't have PlayStation Plus. But if you are like deleting Minecraft, you're going to be deleting the world. So just heads up on that one too. And then let's go to where it says download or delete from cloud storage. And then we go to console storage. And then we can find the game and then we can download it. So Minecraft has all my worlds saved to it. So if I did have PlayStation Plus and I did delete it, well, I can just download it again from the cloud. So this is only available for PlayStation Plus. Then select the game and then go to download. And these are relatively small files. It's just like the game settings and your progress. So it's not actually the game files. So you don't have to download the entire game again. So you can see my cloud storage and my console storage is pretty much the same time. And this is what usually fixes the issue for me if the game is simply just not starting. I had this issue in Grand Theft Auto and the Elder Scrolls Online. I deleted all the saved data that I just showed you. And then I started up the game and it worked perfectly fine. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.